Hello students, welcome to BTech 360. What I'm doing right now is actually combining a lot of questions that are coming from different students of the kind of score that they need from different categories and what kind of rank they would get based on the scores and categories. So what I did was I'm combining that. So it's a combination of about 7-8 people who asked me a similar question of, sir, I'm from this category, what score should I need to get this rank and so on and so forth. So we clubbed everything together and I'm just making you some, a simple data-driven presentation so that you understand where you stand, right? Before I move further and show you everything, 3 requests I always have for you. Please subscribe to BTech 360. If you have any question, please write to us in the message box here and I'll be happy to respond to that. And I must thank our university partner, Chitkara University, for enabling us to putting this entire thing together. Now about this, category-wise marks versus rank analysis is what we're doing. And I'm combining a lot of questions that came in about what score do I need from a different category to get into a college, right? Now, let's put this thing together first of all. And this is based on last year's data. This is based on 2025 data. 1 to 25 rank is 332, 307 was the rank range last year. We're talking about 2025 general category, open category. So this is the kind of rank range. At 101 rank, it's about 278. 101 to 200 is 278 to 263, right? And 201 to 500 is 260 to 235. 501 to 1000 is 234 to 208. And 1001 to 2000 is 208 to 181. Moving further down, because you have about 18,000 seats, I should ultimately take you, and then you also have a categories kicking in. So at 30,001 to 33,000, it's 78 to 74. Now just look at the range that you're dealing with. At even 10,000, 120 to 105, so it's about 1/3 of what you're dealing with, right? 5,001 to 10,000 is 145 to 120. 2,001 to 5,000 is 181 to 145. So it's a quite varied range. 15,000 is 104. 20,000 is 94, 25,000 is 85. So that's a rank range. So essentially what we're dealing with, 332 being the highest score last year, going down to even 74 for a 33,000 rank. And if you're looking at the top 500 ranks, 235 you're likely to get a 500 rank. And if you're looking at 1000 rank, 208 will get you a 1000 rank. If you're looking at 5000 rank, 145 will get you a 5000 rank. If you're looking at 15,000 rank, 104 will get you that. And if you're looking at 20,000 rank, 94 will get you that. That is the score versus marks versus rank that happened in JEE 2025. I'm not comparing it with how it's going to pan out this year. There are obviously a lot of analysis. We ourselves have done some kind of analysis. Please look at that. Our faculty member Rakhi has done that, so look at that also. But this is what happened last year. Now at a category level, how did the marks versus rank for EWS happen? Because we're now talking of category ranks, right? At rank 1 was 309. Remember, it was 332 for general category. Here it's 309. 101 was 199. 101 to 200 is 179. 179 for 200 rank, and for 1000 rank is 127. 2000 rank is 105. 3000 rank is 91. 4000 is 82. 5000 is 75, and 6400 is 66. Now for OBC NCL, first rank is 310. Remember 332 for the general category. 101 is 225. 200 is 202. 500 is 170. 1000 is 145. And 2000 is 125. Going down to 12,000, 11,000 being 70 marks. This is what happened last year. Again, I repeat, it happened last year. Then you further down, go down to SC category. Remember, 332 was the general category first rank. In SC category, 209 is the first rank. 100 is 148 marks. 500 is 99. 1000 is 80. 2000 is 64. 3000 is 53. 4000 is 47 and 5000 is 41. Right. Now move further down to ST. First rank is 294. Right. 101 falls dramatically to 107 marks. 200 rank is 91. 500 is 67. 1000 is 53. 1500 is 44. 2000 is 39 and 2100 is 37. Right. So those are the score versus marks that you have. CRL PW is first rank is 101 is 60 and 201 is 41. The reason why we showed you is you need to understand that there is a variance of the score versus rank for at category level. There were multiple questions that were coming in for us from different people of different categories of what the score rank would be based on the score that they estimated as of now. So this is what happened in 2025. And In my opinion, if you actually combine that with what happened currently in terms of difficulty levels and all and moderate that a bit, you will actually know what is a likely chance that you will get what kind of rank. And if you still want it, there is a JEE Main Advanced College Predictor that we ourselves have, rank predictor. Use that and you will exactly know how it works out. I just hope this helps you. And before I end, three requests I always have for you. Please subscribe to BTech 360. Please, if you have any question, write to us in the message box here. I'll be happy to answer that. And I must thank our university partner, Chitkara University, for enabling us to putting this entire thing together. Thank you so much.